What's up guys, Stan here from CNC71. As you saw in the previous videos, we design and make the super shifter for our car, and today we are going to mount this super shifter into this body. So we are going to dismount the linkage here, and we are going to take out stabilizer, and in place of gear lever which we have here, we will put our shifter like this. Okay, so we are under the car and we are going to dismount the beam and the fasteners which are here. Okay, so we dismount the beam, all parts here are loosened, so we're going down with the car. As we dismounted all parts that are below the car, now we are going to dismount gear stick. Okay, so to dismount the gear stick, you need to find the position of this plastic here. Base plate of our shifter doesn't fit to the tunnel, so we need to slightly cut it here and here to make space for the plate. Okay, so we mounted our super shifter on 4 screws, and now we are going below the car to mount the linkage. Okay guys, we have our shifter mounted. Now we are going to mount linkage. This part, this washer, is quite important. We'll put it here like this.